In this video, we will learn about heating effect of electric current. Now, you might have seen an electrician or the elders at home removing a lighted bulb from its holder by holding it with a handkerchief or a piece of cloth. Why do they do so? Undoubtedly, it becomes hot. Now, let's perform an activity. The aim of the activity is to study the heating of a glowing bulb. What are the materials required? A torch bulb, connecting wires, a cell and a switch. Now what is the procedure? Connect a torch bulb with a cell and a switch with the help of connecting wires. So this is the torch bulb that is connected with a battery and a switch through the connecting wire. Now switch on the bulb and then turn it off after 2 to 3 minutes. Touch the bulb carefully on the glass body. What do you observe? Now, switch off the bulb for 10 minutes and then switch it again. Let the bulb light for 4 to 5 minutes. Switch it off and again touch the bulb. What do you notice? Now let's come to the observation and conclusion. The bulb becomes much hotter than in the first case. It shows that electric current makes the bulb hot. In this activity, when electric current is passed through the bulb, the temperature of its filament rises to an extent that it starts glowing. So this is the filament that actually gets heated when electricity is passed through it, and some part of its energy changes into heat. So that means you can say that we get light as well as we get some heat. This makes the bulb hot. It becomes cool when the switch is turned off. Thus getting hot of an object when an electric current passes through it is called heating effect of the electric current. Now there are many electrical devices which work on the basis of heating effect of electric current. For example, electric heaters. So if we see the electric heaters or the room heaters that we use in winter, electricity is passed through it, the coil becomes hot and it increases the temperature of the room. Then electric toasters. So we can see that this is an electric toaster. This also uses the heating effect of electric current to toast the breads because the heat is produced with the passage of electricity. Then electric irons. We know that this is electric iron that also uses the heating effect of electric current. Geyser. Geyser is an appliance that is used to make hot water, especially in case of winters. Geyser is also an example of heating effect of electric current. It uses the electric current and the heat produced is to increase the temperature of the water in winter. These devices have a coiled wire called an element which on passing electric current becomes red hot and gives out heat. So we can see that this is the element in case of the electric heater. Now let's come to the factors on which amount of heat depends. The amount of heat produced by the element is based on the following factors. The material of the element. So here we know that resistance of the material is a factor that resists the flow of current. So resistance is higher means the heat will be more. Then the length of the wire in the element. So higher the length, the heat produced will be higher. Then thickness of wire in the element. So lower the thickness, more will be the heat. Then the time for which current flows. So longer the time of flow of current, more heat is produced. That's why the bulb was hotter in the second case. Therefore, the elements of different electrical appliances or devices are made of different materials, lengths and thicknesses according to the requirement. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.